नाम्नामकारि बहुधं निज सर्वशक्तिः तत्रार्पिता नियमितस्मरणेन कालम् एतदृशी तव कृप भगवन् ममापि दुर्दैवमित्रिशमिह चिनिनानुरागम् त्रिनादपि सुनिचेन तरोरिवासहिष्णुनाम् अमानिनामानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा हरिम् नदनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवत्तात् भक्तियहैतुके त्वयि अयि नन्दतनुजकिङ्करां पतितां मां शमीं भवां पुतहुं कृपया तव पादपङ्कज स्थितधूलिसदृशं विचिन्तया. When we realize this Nama is our oxygen and it has to go on within us for us to live, then we are ready to put anything aside. Anything aside. Everything actually happens so much better when the Nama is going on within us. Then everything becomes Krishna. We see Krishna everywhere when the Nama goes on constantly within us. That is the way to see Krishna everywhere. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam budam kripaya tava pada pankaja stita dhuli satrisham vichintaya. Nama purifies us, most purifying. Supreme Personality of Godhead, powerful, purifying person, agent person. And as the purity is being, as the Lord enters into us as Harinama, He's filling us. He fills us inside. He fills everywhere outside. Krishna, 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 Krishna. Nayanam galada shrudharaya vadanam gadgadarudhaya giram pulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama grihane bhavishyati yogayitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyayitam shunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. Once we are getting taste of it, Krishna, 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 then, oh Lord, no, please don't go away even for a moment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Aslishyava padaratam pinastumam Adarshanam marmahatam karutuvam Yada tadha vidadhatavulam pato mat prananathastu sayeva na paraha. Oh dear Lord, you are here. No matter how you choose to give me, treat me, anything, you are the boss, dear Lord. And you gave us your Nama. That's all. But everything is at your disposal, not budging a bit from you, dear Lord, Sri Harinam Prabhu, whatever you may want to choose to do with us. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Taramatya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadha Nama Lailing Vaye Premadhana. Of all the class of Bhakti Nama Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparadha Nama that gives us Premadhana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्री वासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।